So once again, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, I want you to subscribe, like and share. Now let's take a look at our pound JPY, starting with our daily time frame. If you are actually be following me, you will actually see where we've predicted all this move, where our price came in and bounced up. This our support level. When it's dropped to our support level, it's our resistance level which we highlighted. I still have this key level on the screen. I've not tampered with it because it is helpful to try to guide us and know how our price has been moving and how we've been following it. And now our price has dropped again and bounced up again to this our key level. From this our key level, which is our, I call it support level now. And guess what? What are we aiming for on our pound JPY is that we are aiming for it to at least go bullish to hit this our resistance level again. Exactly what we are aiming for. Full trend, daily time frame throughout this week and probably next week also. We should be able to see a bullish move at least to hit this our resistance level. Now we would want to sit on the daily standpoint. We have to sit on our 4 hour time frame. We are actually on an uptrend move. Once we have this huge liquidity downward, then we add this huge push up. We saw a pullback, we saw another push up, right? A bullish move upward, breaking this our previous higher highs, and we saw a pullback, and we've actually gotten another bullish move again, breaking this our previous higher highs, right? So that is it. So which means we are actually on an uptrend on our pound JPY. And I'll tell you another reason why I said we're very much likely to open and close bullish is that when we start to sit on our JPY index, we are actually on a bearish move on our JPY index. Full trend, daily time frame, downward trend, but we are actually ranging within this place here, which is our resistance and our support. Our price comes here, hits our resistance and drop. Now it has hit our resistance and we will be seeing a drop again straight to this our support. So once we are having that drop on our JPY index, then we'll see that bullish move on our pound JPY that we just predicted. We would want it to see a bullish move straight to this our resistance level upward, right? That is it on our JPY index. So we would want to be seeing a drop on our JPY index, which means our JPY will be going bullish. So our pound JPY will actually be going bullish. And now let's see it on our pound index also. Full time frame, daily time frame, downward trend, right? Now we can see this key level I've highlighted where our price come here to bounce up, it came here bounce up, also came to this, reacted to this key level, and also see it, we have actually gotten to that key level again. What are we waiting for? A bullish move again on our pound index, which is an indication that our pound is about to go bullish, while our JPY index again is about to drop, is even dropping, and our pound index is about to go bullish, which means our pound JPY will very much likely to see a bullish move on our pound JPY. So just watch out for it on our pound JPY. Bullish move